Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and I have really enjoyed getting into resin. And this Puduo Resin AB set has been really nice. The things I really noticed about these was actually that it took a little bit longer than usual to dry. Usually it takes about 30 minutes. This gave you a full 40 minutes to be able to situate and move things, which is really nice because sometimes air bubbles pop up when you're not expecting it. So it's nice to have that amount of time so that you can really continue to monitor it, look at it, and make sure those little air bubbles don't come out of nowhere and move your flower or ruin the whole set. It really did such a great job. It dried so crystal clear, and it really had a big reduction of bubbles. It was very easy to mix, to pour. I just overall really liked my experience using it. It has on the front an explanation that you're going to use an equal measurement amount of A and B that you stir together. You just wait until you no longer see any of those strings in the actual mixture, showing that both have fully combined and are ready to set. It's always a good idea to let it sit and make sure all of the bubbles have gotten out of it. Usually takes about 10 minutes unless you have something called a bubble remover. It really is such a nice thing to have if you love going hiking and picking flowers. You can press them and now you can make jewelry. I think this is a really great option, particularly if you are using something that you need a little bit more time to make sure you've situated it just right. It gives you the time and the end results are absolutely beautiful. But that's my point of view.